When it comes to moderate resort hotels at Walt Disney World, there is an absolute gem among the rest. Known for its stately white column mansions and backwoods cottages all along the picturesque Sassagoula River, get ready to experience the beautiful, romantic side of southern Louisiana at Disney's Port Orleans Resort, Riverside.
Beneath the canopy of moss-covered oak trees and resting along a bustling waterfront, you'll find a resort hotel channeling the energy of the waters along its shores, where every corner exudes charm and hospitality, and incredible natural beauty and activities are waiting just around the river bend. All of this and more when you stay at Disney's Port Orleans Resort, Riverside. Your Louisiana-style Walt Disney World vacation begins the moment you step inside the main lobby, reminiscent of a stylish steamboat terminal with its rounded banquettes, giant teal lanterns, and an abundance of windows that bathe the space and vaulted ceiling in natural light, shining upon decorative wood beams, railings, and corbels. The registration area is grand and inviting, with a pair of eye-catching ceiling fans, keeping the space cool and comfortable. In the center, towering steamboat funnel columns elevate the names of great American cities residing along the Mississippi River. As you relax and check in, check out the gorgeous views right at your footsteps, and then let the giant lobby compass guide you to all of the incredible areas of this resort hotel. Whether you want to live it up or simply lounge the day away, Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside has it all. Let's start the fun outside at the Riverside Levee, where bicycles are available for hire in addition to these multi-seat Surrey bikes to use your pedal power to explore the entire resort. Or consider a guided catch-and-release fishing excursion that offers up bass fishing at its finest, plus gorgeous views up and down the Sassagoula River. In the evening, board a horse-drawn carriage for a sunset ride along the riverbank, or simply venture out on your own and discover the many scenic pathways, lush gardens, and wooden bridges just begging for photographs. On the way, find retreat beside a shady magnolia tree or in charming little spaces nestled along the shore, like this beautiful gazebo, where you can quietly disconnect away from the crowds and simply recharge. When you're ready for recreation day or night, head across the bridge and check out Old Man Island, a haven for resort activities. Its centerpiece is an enormous 3.5-acre swimming pool, the perfect refuge to cool off on those hot summer days. Splash and explore across bridges and cascading water features as you enjoy all the family fun in the sun. Grown-ups will love soaking tired muscles in the whirlpool spa, while the little ones can cool off in a watery refuge just for them. And then, have a blast on the sawmill waterslide as it twists and turns before splashing down into the pool below. In addition to Old Man Island, there are 5 additional leisure pools nestled throughout the resort for a quieter poolside experience. With plenty of room to relax, decompress, and soak up the sun, it's no wonder why this resort is the definition of cool. Still not enough watery fun? Riverside guests can also enjoy the amenities at the neighboring Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter, with its doubloon lagoon, a water play area for the kids, live jazz music at the Scat Cats Club, and Mickey-shaped beignets. It's 2 resorts for the price of 1. Back at the Riverside, there's even more to explore on Old Man Island. Let the good times roll at Muddy Rivers. This poolside bar is where you can party with frozen and specialty drinks on the rocks, draft beer, wine, sangria, and non-alcoholic beverages. take a break and cool off on the shaded deck. And have a ball as you challenge a friend to a game of foosball. Nearby, the kids can have their own kind of fun climbing and playing on the Old Man Island playground, while grown-ups can gently rock themselves to sleep napping on neighboring hammocks. On the back side of the island, you'll find even more family fun at the fishing hole. Grab a pole with your friends and head out onto the dock to fish for the latest catch right out of this calm, cool cove of the Sassagoula River. Bubbling with a variety of fish, it's catch and release. Even still, you won't be releasing any of these vacation memories anytime soon. All of this recreation can work up an appetite. Let's head back to the mainland and explore the delicious dining options available. Settle down for American fare inspired by Southern Louisiana-style cooking on the bayou at the Riverside Mill. Churning up good eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, this quick service restaurant features 5 stations to satisfy any craving. From salads and sandwiches, pizza and pasta, grill, specialty items, plus they have their very own bakery, serving up the sweetest of treats, cakes, and hand-scooped ice cream. If you're short on time, there are grab-and-go options available and convenient mobile ordering to get you on your way in no time. This family-friendly food court sits right next to the big mill wheel that powers a working cotton press and offers a number of spacious and comfortable seating areas, including tables right beside the big mill wheel itself. For a sit-down dining option, make a reservation at Boatwright's Dining Hall, where bona fide Big Easy Eats are enjoyed beneath hanging lanterns and the suspended skeletal hull of a lugger fishing boat. Admire antique shipbuilding tools on the walls, or warm yourself by the fire in the upper dining room, all the while sampling scrumptious flavors of Louisiana like the taste of the bayou all-you-care-to-enjoy platter. Afterwards, promote digestion at the River Roost Lounge. Enjoy the southern comforts of southern-style libations as you settle into this lively space, with chandeliers casting their glow upon gorgeous copper ceiling tiles. Take a load off at the full bar, grab a light snack, and in the evening, catch a performance from a Port Orleans Riverside institution, the one and only Yeehaw Bob. He will have you clapping, singing, and dancing all night long. Looking to do a little shopping? Head on over to Fulton's General Store. Featuring timeless animated character displays, Fulton's is supersized when it comes to resort stores, and a terrific spot for browsing theme park apparel and seasonal and holiday merchandise. There's a plush wall of Disney friends the kids will adore, plus sundries and supplies that you may have forgotten while packing. With so much to choose from, you're bound to find the perfect piece of the magic to take home with you. If after all of this resort recreation, dining, and shopping, you still need to tire out the kids and kids at heart in your family, wrap up your fun-filled day with a visit to the Medicine Show Arcade. Nerd out with your favorite video games that are literally larger than life. Challenge yourself with the latest and greatest in arcade technology, while also reliving the classics like air hockey and skee-ball. With basketball, pinball, and more, the Medicine Show Arcade will definitely score high on family fun. When it's time to retire for the evening, the resort offers a variety of accommodations to suit your family's needs. From elegant river and courtyard views to serene woods views, plus royal guest rooms to take the Disney magic to the next level. Let's start along Alligator Bayou with options for families needing extra space. Welcome inside a 5th sleeper room, which features 2 queen-size beds, soft lighting, and wood floors. These beds come elevated to conveniently store your luggage and maximize space. There's a table and chairs, flat screen television, large storage bench, plus a beverage station with coffee maker and mini refrigerator to keep your items cool. And speaking of cool, look at this Princess and the Frog privacy curtain that opens to reveal a washboard dual vanity with backlit mirror, under-counter storage, and decorative tile floor finishes. Then, rejuvenate yourself in the themed bathroom. Surrounded in wood grain tile, choose from an invigorating shower or soothing bath experience. But I bet you're wondering, where is that fifth person going to sleep? Remember that storage bench? Would you believe it? A child-sized pull-down bed reveals itself right next to everyone's favorite gator, Louis, from Princess and the Frog. Next, let's head downriver and check out another accommodation that is sure to be a highlight of your resort stay, fit for the prince or princess of your family. Welcome inside a royal guest room. Would you just take a look at this spectacular space? Why, you're even personally welcomed by Princess Tiana herself, who has left a welcome letter for you on the table. This practically perfect palace is everything Disney dreams are made of. And speaking of dreams, you'll have the sweetest ones beneath this Princess and the Frog headboard, which comes to life with a Firefly fireworks display thanks to a little dose of Disney magic, something every member of the family will love. There are fine fairy tale furnishings, from a large set of drawers, mini refrigerator, coffee maker, television, even a royal ottoman. Plus, your very own magic carpet to take you to a whole new world of places. Like the bathroom, where you'll find Aladdin lamp-inspired faucets, gold accented mirrors, dual vanity, granite countertops, and soft lighting, everything that you could wish for. Even the shower is bejeweled and just sparkles and shines like it should. When a resort is an absolute splash by day and even more magical under the stars at night, why would you ever want to leave? However, when you're ready to explore the rest of what Walt Disney World has to offer, there's convenient bus transportation to take you to the Disney theme parks and the water parks. Or for a scenic ride, consider a complimentary river cruise from your resort to neighboring hotels, or all the way to the entertainment, shopping, and dining excitement at Disney Springs.
So if you're looking for a little southern charm, plus the added benefit of shared amenities downriver at the French Quarter, then a stay at Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside may just be for you. And the way to get started, reach out to a travel professional at Key to the World Travel, your key to a magical vacation. I'll see y'all next time.